Welcome to AWS IAM Users. Think of them as the backstage crew making sure everything runs smoothly. Each user gets their own keys, but don't worry, no lost key panic here. They help keep your AWS environment secure and organized. Whether you run a startup or an enterprise, IAM users are your best bet for controlled access. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. AWS no, it's not a secret spy agency, but it does control access with precision. It ensures only the right people get into the right places. With authentication and authorization, it's like a VIP pass but for cloud resources. If security were a rock concert, IAM would be the bouncer checking ID. IAM users serve a real purpose. They're not just for show. They let multiple people work securely, each with tailored permissions. Think of them as security guards with different levels of clearance. They prevent unwanted trespassers and even leave digital footprints, so you know who did what. The eternal battle, IAM user vs root user. The root user is the king, but with great power comes great responsibility. Meanwhile, IAM users are like trusted advisors, handling tasks without risking AWS chaos. Keeping your root user under lock and key is the best security move you'll make. Let's talk about IAM roles vs IAM users, because understanding the difference is half the battle. Roles are great for applications needing temporary access, while users are, well, actual people with logins. Unlike roles, user access lasts longer, which means more security risks. That's why using roles smartly is like putting on sunscreen, keeps everything protected. Think of MFA like a double lock on your front door. It makes it harder for intruders to get in. With 2 authentication methods, even if someone guesses your password, they still need another key to unlock your account. Whether it's a one-time code or a fingerprint scan, MFA makes hacking a whole lot harder. Security isn't just about having fancy tools, it's about smart habits. Strong passwords and MFA. Absolutely. Checking access regularly. No-brainer. And limiting permissions is like keeping only the essentials in your backpack. Less weight, less risk. Managing credentials properly is like locking up your valuables. Don't just leave them lying around. Store them securely, rotate passwords often, and use a good credential manager. And please, never hard-code passwords in your code. That's like leaving your house keys in the front door. Policies are the rules of the security game. They decide who gets what access and make sure things don't go out of hand. If you don't keep your policies updated, it's like driving without a map. Things can get messy fast. Security isn't a one-time thing. It's an ongoing game of strategy. Keep an eye on activity, encrypt sensitive data, and restrict access based on roles. And alerts. Think of them as your digital watchdog. They warn you before trouble hits. IAM users aren't just about logins. They play a huge role in managing employee access, securing apps, and ensuring compliance. Think of IAM as the bouncer at an exclusive club. Only the right people get in. We've covered IAM users, roles, security tricks, and best practices. And now you're officially in the know. IAM is all about securing access smartly. So go forth and implement these practices. Your security setup will thank you. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.